Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Target. Y'all know we had to come back to Target because they got my favorite deal. Y'all already know what it is. That is the spend 50, get back a $15 gift card Target Circle offer on household products. And I wasn't sure if I was coming this week, but then this morning we got some brand new Ibotta offers that definitely made this trip worthwhile. So I had to get up because the first thing we're going to be grabbing is a huge pack of Bounty. So we got this brand new $4 Ibotta offer on Bounty products. And with this rebate, you can redeem it at a lot of stores. It makes the Bounty Essentials like 99 cents or even free, depending on what digital coupon you have at Walgreens. But I decided to grab it here at Target because I want to get the triple pack. And so I want to get the most bang for my buck by getting these huge triple rolls because these are huge. This will last such a long time. So it's much more expensive here at $16.99, but this is going to work out to a really good deal with the $1 digital coupon and that $4 offer. So this big mama right here is actually going to be the first item in our deal. I'm going to go on ahead and grab this one right here. These babies are huge humongous. They take up almost the whole cart. This is going to be the first item that we grab. And if you have already used your Bounty offer at a different store like Walgreens or Kroger or something like that, another option for this item is this Glade. I noticed this when I got home. This Glade aromatherapy would be a perfect swap out. This is $14.99, so it will make the deal a couple dollars cheaper. And we have $4.50 back on Ibotta, so it's an easy swap out. We don't have any coupons for the Glade, but it'll make your deal a very similar price to the one I'm doing today. Next item we're grabbing is a Swiffer wet dread. So we're going to get the whole mopping kit. These are $24.99. We're going to be using this high value $10 digital coupon, which makes this a great item to add into our deal this week. We're going to walk over here to the dish cleaning aisle because we want to grab some Finish Ultimate. We got some brand new offers on the Finish Ultimate this week. Now what we want to find is actually the 11 count. I don't want these 17 counts. They're a little bit too much expensive, so we're going to be looking, yes. For this baby right here, we're going to get 2 bags of this 11 on my tippy toes, y'all. For $4.99. We got $3 back on Ibotta, $3 back on Shopmium, and we have a $3 digital coupon. So you guys, this is our complete spend 50 household deal. We have the $16.99 Bounty. We have the $24.99 Swiffer product. And then we have $9.98 in Finish Ultimate. So now we're at $51.96. As far as coupons at the register, we got $1 for the Bounty, we got $10 for the Swiffer, and then we have $3 for the Finish. So we're going to pay out $37.96, and I already have some gift cards and Target Circle money to pay for this. So we're just going to roll those funds in, so I shouldn't have hardly any out of pocket. Then I'm going to get back a $15 gift card for getting to that $50 mark. I'm going to get back $6 from Ibotta for the Finish. I'll get back $4 from Ibotta for the Bounty, and I'm going to submit over for $3 for the other Finish on Shopmium or Swagbucks. That makes my final cost for all 4 of these items $9.96, you guys. $9.96 for all 4. Next, I wanted to grab, I actually wanted to get some of the Revlon baby lips, but my store does not have any, so I'm just going to grab some of the lipsticks. So I'm going to get 5 of the lipsticks since we're going to be submitting for a circle offer for $3 off each one. And then I'm also going to be submitting over on Ibotta for $4 back on each one. So since these are $6.49 a piece, we're going to pay just $3.49 after the Target Circle offer with a limit of 5. And then we're going to get back $4 on each one. So each one will be a 51-cent moneymaker. All right, y'all, so we are ready to go up front and check out. This is everything that I want to be grabbing from Target today. So let's go hit the register. I have all of my digitals loaded, confirmed and scanned all of my Ibotta rebates. Let's see how this goes. So everything worked out really well. I only had one issue, and that issue is with Ibotta and on the Bounty. So I paid out $55.41. I got back my $15 gift card, no problem. Got back $26 from Ibotta, but I was supposed to get back $30 from Ibotta. And that is because for some reason the bounty bounced back, even though I scanned it in, checked the barcode, all of that, and said that the item that I scanned did not match the one on my receipt. So really weird error there. I got back the 26 for the Revlon and the finish, but I had to submit the bounty for review. So if you don't feel like going through that and going back and forth with Ibotta, you might want to grab the Glade that I mentioned earlier, or just use that $4 bounty rebate at another store. So I'm hoping that I get back that $4 to give me an even $30 back, because that will make everything $7.41. But even if I have an issue with that bottle, I'm not going to return it, because $11 for everything that I got is absolutely amazing, but $7 is going to be even better. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.